Friends, we all know that from this year, February, the state of Manipur does not have Chief Justice for the High Court. Hence, Justice Muralidharan is acting as the Chief Justice. So, generally, in the appointment of Chief Justice, there are few steps. The collegium will decide whom they want to appoint as Chief Justice for a state. They will send recommendations to the center. The law ministry will then forward the same recommendation to the state government, that is Chief Minister and Governor. And they have to take a decision within 6 weeks generally. Either they are accepting it or they have any recommendations, any changes in that. Within 6 weeks, they have to mention that. If they do not mention within 6 weeks, it is deemed or understood that they accepted it. From there, from the state government, it again goes back to the law ministry. The law ministry sends it to the Prime Minister of India, who then sends it to the President. And finally, President appoints the Chief Justice of that state. In the same fashion, few weeks ago, the collegium has selected Chief Justices for 7 states: Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Manipur. However, except Manipur, all the remaining states have accepted the recommendation and sent it back to the center, and President appointed the Chief Justices of those states. However, though 6 weeks have passed, in Manipur, till now, the appointment of Chief Justice to the High Court is in limbo. Justice Muralidharan sir is still continuing as the acting Chief Justice. The problem is, it is the same Justice Muralidharan sir who said that Meitees shall be included into the list of scheduled tribes. In fact, his order recommended the state government. In his order, he recommended the state government to send the proposal to center to accept Meitees as STs. Of course, state government did not finalize it. State government asked for 1 year time. However, it is beyond the jurisdiction of High Court. Even Supreme Court said that High Court does not have any kind of power to make such kind of judgments. It is a presidential decision. Only President can take a decision on that, not the High Court. So, in fact, they actually warned Justice Muralidharan and even asked him to take the judgment back, but he did not do that. Also, because of that judgment, as you know very well in Manipur, what happened? There is this violence between the Kukis and Meitees. And fundamental rights are violated, there is a lot of violence against women, there are heinous crimes. So, in such a scenario, definitely Chief Justice is very much important for the High Court. Hence, now as Manipur government, both CM as well as Governor, are not taking any decision on the recommendation sent by the law ministry based on collegium's recommendation, 6 weeks have passed. So, it's high time that Chief Justice of India recommend to the President to directly appoint. They recommended Chief Justice to Manipur as per the second judge's case 1993. In 1993 second judge's case, Supreme Court clearly mentioned that if the state government does not act on the recommendation sent by the law ministry within 6 weeks, you have to consider as if they accepted it, and immediately President can take it over and he can appoint the same candidate recommended by collegium as the Chief Justice of that state's High Court. So, I think it's high time that this step is taken by both the Supreme Court, CJI as well as the President of India, considering the situation in Manipur, considering that there are several cases coming to the High Court and they shall be disposed as quickly as possible.